Hey folks, today we're taking a closer look at the Mission Workshop by Carryology Mars Project 2.0 Prime Meridian Backpack. It's the follow-up to the first Mars Project pack, a favorite in the community, and it brings a whole new design approach while keeping that same space-tested spirit. After the first Mars Project, the team over at Mission Workshop reached out again. They were working on something new and top secret, and they wanted us to help them develop it for the Carry community. And this time, the goal wasn't to echo the pack's design for NASA, but to create something just as technical, just as durable, but made for daily use here on Earth for all of us terrestrial beings. The biggest shift, a full clamshell design, the first Mission Workshop has ever released. Now historically, most of Mission Workshop's packs are roll tops, kind of designed for bicycle messengers and cyclists. But this one, it opens up fully like a suitcase, making it easier for you to pack, organize, and grab what you need on the go. The shape is a smooth-edged tombstone. Now it's shaped this way to be subtle and versatile, and it looks super clean and classic. Now let's get into the layout. You got three main compartments. You have a front admin panel, a large main compartment, and a padded, suspended laptop compartment in the back. Now one of the best and most unique features of this pack are these front two pockets. Both of them are full length and they sit on top of each other. Now inside you'll find stretch fabric pockets for smaller items, kind of like, I don't know, your wallet or maybe some sunglasses. Now what's really cool, like I said, these are their own unique pockets. So right now my hands are not touching each other. They're on top of each other. There's been a lot of tombstones in the history of Carry, and so we wanted to find a unique aesthetic that matches the utility for this front panel. And this dual zipper combination does that really, really nicely. And my favorite part about these stretch mesh pockets on the inside is they're angled, which makes them easier to access, and it keeps your items from falling out, for example. So it's really cool. Things won't fall out, they stay where they're supposed to be, and they work really well. Now behind these two zippered pockets, you're gonna find the admin pocket, which is great for accessories. Now in here, you're gonna find two stretchy pockets, a full zippered pocket, another zippered pocket, and a key leash with a nice little orange carabiner included. In here, I got my field notes. What else? Passport, charger, knife, Leatherman. And what's cool about this front panel, it's not a full clamshell. It actually stops right here. And what that does is allows you to just drop your items in and they're not gonna spill out. It kind of acts like a little bit of a catch. Okay, let's zip that up. Now on to the main compartment, and that is this zipper right here. Let's open her up. Full clamshell, as you can see. Now this main section brings the pack's volume up to 26 liters. Kind of that Goldilocks size, which is big enough for your daily carry, your gym gear, or even a lightweight trip. In here I have my Arc'teryx jacket, I got some clothes, got a tech kit, toiletry kit. Let's talk about the pack itself. There's a stretch pocket here on the back, and we'll just have some documents in here. Now up here you have a Velcro zone, which you can put on Velcro pouches or morale patches, which we'll get to in just a little bit. Now on the inside front wall, you'll find some nice branding, and that pretty much covers it for the main compartment here. Now the laptop compartment, it's in the way back here. It's padded, lined with soft microfiber, and suspended, so your tech won't hit the ground if you drop your bag. So in here, I have my 16-inch MacBook Pro, and there's even a sleeve in front for an iPad. And this is an iPad Pro 11-inch. Now let's talk about the fabrics. The outside is made from an Ultra 400X fabric. It's incredibly strong, super lightweight, and it's waterproof. It's the same stuff used on NASA field packs, and yes, that's as tough as it sounds. Add a PET film on top of the ultra high molecular weight polyethylene fabric, the strongest stuff on Earth, and you've got protection from the elements, no problem. And we're not done with cool materials yet. Inside is using the Challenge Sailcloth EcoPack EPX70RS. Yes, that's a mouthful, but it's also waterproof, and it comes in a dark gray for the Black Magic version, which is this one, and a bright white for the White Lightning version. Now the zippers, they're YKK Aquaguard zippers, but these aren't just any Aquaguard zippers. These are the holy grail of Aquaguard zippers. I said Aquaguard zippers a lot. Now these are rarely used because they're very expensive, they're USA made, and they're most commonly found on high-end Berry compliant military packs. They have a smooth glide and a matte finish. Now just like the first one, we added paracord with tracers for the zipper pullers, and this makes it really easy to use without gloves or with spacesuit gloves. Now for added comfort and breathability, we opted for ventilated foam on the shoulder harness and the back panel, then wrapped it with Aeroprene hexagon mesh. This is the same stuff used on the Hauser, Speedwell packs, and the Mars 1.0 project. Now the black colorway gets orange foam behind the mesh for a nice little visual pop, and the white one uses black foam, kind of for stormtrooper vibes. Now the shoulder straps come with an included sternum strap for comfort, as well as laser cut holes for adjustability. They also have Hypalon lash tabs up here for attaching extra gear. And as an added bonus, there's a luggage pass-through here on the back for when you're traveling, whether it be at outer space or just here on Earth. Now here's something really cool and pretty stealth. On the sides here, there's hidden mounting points. Now you can attach these additional booster pouches, either slim or regular sized, for extra storage. Now aesthetically, this pack has a silhouette that blends into a variety of scenarios, but if you add these little booster pouches, it takes on a space age feel, kind of reminiscent of your own little jetpack. What's really cool is how they work. You simply pull down this flap, and you lift this little, what we're calling a beaver tail, slide it through the panel, and attach below. Simple as that. And there is also Velcro here on the side, so you can attach morale patches, regular size and smaller size. Now, if you want to travel light or keep the pack streamlined, just take them off and use them for organizer pouches inside the pack. Just like 99% of our other collabs, branding is super low key. There are 2 small laser engraved Hypalon tags, one here on the front and the other one here on the shoulder strap. That's it. Now on to those morale patches. Each pack comes with 2 morale patches, both designed by the legend himself, Dan Matsuda. These patches are inspired by NASA's original Mars mission patches. One has a Martian-themed meatball design, and the other is the Vitruvian astronaut. For this round, just to keep them a little bit different, we made them all monochrome, clean and simple. And yes, every pack comes with both patches. So that is the Mission Workshop by Carryology Mars Project 2.0 Prime Meridian Backpack. A clamshell style pack made with premium materials built for travel, everyday use, and everything in between. If you use the first Mars Project pack, you're gonna feel right at home. And if this is your first look, well, now you know what it's capable of. And that's it for this walkthrough. If you got any other questions, drop them below in the comments and we'll get back to you right away. Thanks for watching.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.